Still no luck from this very big home base.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
Gonna be my very last kicking. This thing's running out. I've been trying to look for a replacement in about 5 days now. I really couldn't find anything. It's a shame that I'm running low on gas.
leave it and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight.
So I've just arrived in Udon Central Shopping Mall. I think I'm getting close. The guy says go here, DIY. I honestly don't think they have it here. So I'm just looking at some Thai and English dictionary. So there's a bunch of them. But my problem is, it says the English words and then the Thai version are written in Thai characters. So this is gonna be a struggle. I'm pretty sure there's gotta have something here. What I'm looking for are like the actual Thai translation, but using the Roman alphabet, which is possible. You know, I've seen this around in a monastery, for example. It kind of just rhymes with how they pronounce it in Thailand. There's a lot of options here. It's a shame that there's none. I'm so happy. The guy just found me a book which has the Thai words as well as the words in Roman alphabet, as you can see there. Amazing, amazing. This is what I was looking for.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak.
So that's the National Highway number 2 from Udon Thani into Bien Shen, and I'm just on the side just doing some work at the moment, and where I camp is over there.
My mind. Oh,
Right here in this region between Udon Thani and Nong Bua, it's pretty flat. You know, I've set out from around 5 in the morning today, and I've already done about 35 kilometers. So I thought I'd stop by here in the coffee shop. About 2 days ago, even though the road surface is flat, I was doing a lot faster. It has been quite warm, and also there's been a lot of traffic. So I thought I'll give myself a break rather than going through Udon Thani and then towards Nakhon Phanom on this road number 12, I believe it was, or 22. So I've decided to do a little bit of detour, which will take me an additional 180 kilometers. So overall, I'll be doing around 400 kilometers up until Nakhon Phanom, which lies in the border with Laos. By doing this additional trip, I'll be literally cycling via the Mekong River, or on the side of it, from Nong Khai into Bueng Can, and then down south to Nakhon Phanom. I still have a lot of days left for Thailand because I've extended my visa from 30 into 45 days, which will end on 14th of March. So, you know, it's still a lot of time. So I felt like, yeah, I might as well use it up. I'm not really in a hurry to get to the climbing spot. Well, I still couldn't find the gas canister that I was looking for. So the solution to my problem are this. But this one's pretty good. It's only 1.23 kilograms. It's so portable. I like the design and everything. It's a shame that I have to spend extra money, but I think this could be very useful long term. I could always take them anywhere. So the price of this is 1,990 baht. The extra butane gases are 50 baht each, so 200 for all of those.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So I met this guy Dave. He's now touring on the way to Bangkok via Mekong River. He's traveled a lot. Oh my god, I've got a lot of questions to this guy. So interesting.
But basically, if I'm on the say that outer ring,
Where was this custom built?
well, Green Gear Cycling, Eugene, Oregon.
Lovely interaction with Dave from the UK, actually, from Leeds. Learned so much about him. He travels so much. Something that I kind of wish I could do going forward too. But he's very interesting because he knows a lot about bicycles, and you know, he kind of gave me a little bit of comfort that my wheels could still be a long way to go, about 1,000 kilometers, so that's comforting. And in terms of tire degradation in middle of the sun, like midday, he said don't worry so much about it. It's the distance that wears the tire out. He's gonna cycle in the same route up until Bangkok. For him, it's gonna take him another 2 or 3 weeks, but I'm not gonna go all the way to Bangkok. Obviously, I'm going to Nakhon Phanom, but we're hoping to catch up again at some point because I'm in a much slower pace than him, so we thought that we could still catch up along the way, like 2 or 3 days. But yeah, anyway, so that side over there is in Laos, and on this side where I'm cycling is in Thailand. I'm gonna just follow this bicycle route for a while. I think it's gonna go on for 7 kilometers.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
So I don't know if there's gonna be an exit point at the end of this road. If there is, we'll see. I think I may be lucky here. There seems to be an exit point here. Village? Thank you. So I just saw these bicycles. I thought it was just decorations for this thing. But it looks like there's some kids swimming underneath this thing. Let me see what they're up to. Say hi. Got. That lady's pointing me into this direction, so I don't know what she's talking about. The monastery is literally on this side, behind the buildings. Oh, perfect. Perfect.
Toilet,
And
swimming here.
shower, yeah. So camping tip in a place like this is this is a little praying spot within the monastery. Obviously we got the Buddhas over there. So as a rule, you shouldn't be pointing your feet towards the Buddha. So the way I'll position my body here is that my head's gonna be there towards the Buddhas and my feet will be on the opposite side of the tent. There's some pad thai from the guys.